Hi, I'm Amber from the Fresno Chaffee Zoo Summer Extended Learning Program. Today's lesson on Home Sweet Habitats is going to be about the rainforest. So, rain is in the forecast. Today we're going to learn about a diverse habitat called the rainforest. Rainforests can be found around the equator between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. A rainforest receives at least 75 inches of rain a year, making it green year-round. The rainforest is full of bright, beautiful flowers and animals that call it home. These animals have adaptations to help them survive. There are millions of animals who live in the rainforest, and they each have their own adaptations to help them survive. Let's go find some animals in the zoo who live in the rainforest. Since millions of species call the rainforest home, there are many layers that allow the animals to survive together. These layers are stacked upon each other just like a high-rise building. The first layer of the rainforest is called the forest floor. It's very dark on the forest floor, and little to no sunshine reaches through. This is where animals like tigers, anteaters, and capybaras live. Next is the understory. This layer is filled with low-lying shrubs and small trees that do not receive much sunlight. Many frogs, lizards, and jaguars live on this layer. The next layer is the canopy. This is where the tall trees create an umbrella for the rest of the rainforest. Many animals live on this layer, including monkeys, birds, prehensile-tailed skinks, and sloths. Lastly, there is the emergent layer. This is where the tallest trees tower about 200 feet above the forest floor. There is plenty of sunshine up here, along with the eagles, bats, and butterflies. Next, let's see what our tiger is up to. With so many different layers of life, the rainforests have countless food chains. In many Asian forests, the tiger is at the top of the food chain. They mostly prey on deer and other medium-sized mammals, but they can hunt animals as large as elephant calves. To help them sneak up on their prey, tigers have a fur pattern that helps it to camouflage. The black stripes across their body match the shadowy stripes of branches on the forest floor, and it breaks up the outline of the tiger, making them hard for other animals to see. Tigers are so well adapted for life around water that they have partially webbed toes to make them strong swimmers, helping them cross ponds and rivers to search for food. One animal not on anyone's menu is the poison dart frog. There are many different species of poisonous frogs in the amphibian family, but they all live in the rainforests of Central and South America. Most species live on the forest floor, but a few live all the way up in the canopy. The frog's bright colors warn other animals that they are dangerous. The frogs get their poison from the food that they eat. Feeding on ants and termites and other invertebrates, the frogs are able to create a toxin. Because the frogs in this zoo are not eating the same types of insects, they are no longer poisonous, but they still have their beautiful warning colors. What animals do you know with warning colors? The canopy layer has the most diversity of life, with fruit and trees providing food for birds, insects, and mammals. This provides food for the carnivore species like green tree boas. The green tree boa lives in the canopy and the understory of the rainforests of South America. They hunt small mammals and birds at night and sleep coiled up on branches during the day. Their bright green color camouflages with the leaves, helping the snake to hide from larger birds of prey. Living high up in the canopy of Southeast Asia, the orangutan is adapted to spend most of its life in the trees. With their long arms, strong fingers, and grabbing feet, they all work together as the orangutan swings from branch to branch in the treetops. Orangutans eat mostly fruit, but will eat leaves and insects when fruit is harder to find. With so much to learn about how to survive in the forest, orangutans stay with their moms until they are 7 or 8 years old. That's way longer than any other species of ape. The Madagascar hissing cockroach plays a very important part in the rainforest food web. This animal is a decomposer, which means it eats dead or decaying matter. The cockroach will eat dead plants and animals and turn them into nutrients that allow new plants to grow. They are sometimes referred to as the garbage man of the rainforest since they help clean it up. Can you think of any other decomposers? Rainforests support a variety of life in all of the layers. Often animals move between these layers, connecting them into a larger ecosystem. The insects, mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians that we all saw today have different roles in their ecosystem, and that supports the lives of other species. Unfortunately, many of these species are threatened by changes in their habitat. By learning more about these species, we can help protect them and their forest homes. All right, I hope you had fun learning about all of our different rainforest plants and animals. Next week, get ready for grasslands.